First, I want to let you know that Upwork has a mobile app that you can work on, and you can also work on your laptop. So I don't know whether some jobs can allow you to work on your phone, but you can go ahead and try it. If it does work for you, then good for you. But if you want to like work on your laptop, that's also a better option. Up on Upwork, you can continue on Google, or you can use an email, which is what I do. So you just come down here and click sign up. So on your mobile phone and on your laptop, they are all the same. So there is no difference. I'm just showing you on my laptop. So do you want to be a client, like you want to hire people on Upwork, or are you looking for jobs on Upwork? So I'm guessing that you're looking for jobs. So we just click apply as a freelancer. Okay, for me, I'll pick continue with Google so that I'm able to pick one of my accounts. So from there, it picks my first name and my country. Then I'll be able to put my last name, which is Mwenda. Then I have to agree to their privacy, to the terms and conditions, and also their privacy. Then you just create account. That's it. Like you see, congratulations, your account has been created now. Hey Betty, ready for your next big opportunity? Answer a few questions and start building your profile. As I talked about in my previous video, you have to curate your profile in a way that once it's sent to the client, it's communicate about who you are, what you do, and what you've done previously, like your experiences. Apply for open roles or list services for clients to buy. From here, you start setting up your profile and your account so that you're ready for a job. So have you been a freelancer before? I'm a brand new to this. I have some experience. I am an expert. If you have no experience being a freelancer, then you can pick you're brand new. If you have some experience, pick that. For me, I would say if you're coming to look for jobs on Upwork, it means that you have some sort of skills. Pick I have some experience, and then you go to the next. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? To make money on the side, to earn my main income, to get experience or a full-time job. So I would say pick to earn my main income. Even if you're looking for a side hustle job, just pick that, because it's up to you to choose the jobs that you want to work for. And at the end of the day, it's not Upwork that will be bidding the jobs for you. It's you who will be doing that. And how would you like to work? So I would like to find opportunities myself. I like to package up my Upwork for clients to buy. So either is okay, but this will require you to be charged some money, and this is free. So I would say go with that. You can always come back to this if you need to like upgrade your account and start letting Upwork like bid for you jobs with clients. Upload your resume. So when I was applying, this all was not there. So I want to say fill out manually. Yeah, got it now. Add a title to tell the world what you do. For example, for me, I would say I'm a virtual assistant, right? Do write whatever title you want to write there. Really, you're not limited to anything. It's something that you can change anytime you want to. If you have relevant work experience, add it here. So if you've been a virtual assistant before, if whatever experience you have, you can definitely add it here. Add at least one. The title is virtual assistant. Company, let's say Google, right? It's not like Google will come to like confirm this location. Let's just pick my capital city where I live, Nairobi, and then my country is Kenya. But if you're living in a different country, then definitely come down here and pick your country. Are you currently working there? So you can check that if that's the case. If not, uncheck that. Then you have to check the start date. When did you start working there, and when did you finish working there? And then you can write a few words here to just describe your experience with the job, how you found it there. So a few words, you don't have to write much. And then you can say much. I want to say 2020, and then maybe finished on March, I want to say 2023, right? So let's say 2 years. I don't have to write that, really. I can just save and move on, right? So you can see I have some experience there. Then next, our clients like to know what you know. Add your education here. If you've gone up to the high school, then you have to write that here. If you've been to college, write that there. So whatever level of education you've gotten to, you can input it there. If you want to say you went to the Oxford, just come right here. No one is going to like check that. But remember, your profile will be sent to the client, and whatever you write or whatever you propose you can do, then you have to match it. So you have to match everything you say you are, from your profile to your cover letter to what you bring, I want to say, on the table. For example, I can say I went to Nairobi University. You have to like pick something from whatever they're prompting you to. So for example, I can pick, let's say I pick architecture, right? So field of study is architecture, just architecture, right? Dates attended, I could say, so architecture, you have to also know how long do people like take for architecture. So I joined in, let's say I joined in 2017, right? 2017. So 2017, 6 years from then. So let's say I'm graduating in 2024, right? That is to show that I'm almost done. Then you can rate something small there about your experience in the school and all that. And move on to next, add languages. So which languages are you either fluent in, proficiency levels and all that. So you can come check here. Are you fluent in English? Are you conversational? Are you just basic? So not everyone knows how to speak in English, so that's understandable. But there are clients that offer jobs in other languages, so you really don't have to feel like you're limited to English only. So maybe I'm a fluent in this, of course, and then you can come add more languages there. Then you just add your skills. I can say just virtual assistant, and then I just move on to the next. Now write a bio to tell the world about yourself. So this is where now you go all in. You write about your experiences, you write about the skills that you have. So start from the most recent, put something that will get some attention when the client looks at your profile. Okay, so after that, what are the main services you offer? I'm a virtual assistant. Maybe you can keep adding on this. You don't have to limit yourself to what you input as you're signing up. Really don't stress yourself in this part. Just go easy on yourself and everything will be okay. Now, when it comes to your hourly rate, don't input anything below $10 per hour. Why? Because then you have better chances of, I want to say, negotiating when it comes to a client. So if you're new to Upwork, I want to say the least you can do is just say $10. That's a good place to start, okay? Some clients will offer you something below that. So not all of them will offer you the $10. Some will pay you maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. But when your profile says $10, then it means you have higher chances of negotiating your pay once you get to work with that client for some time, other than saying that you want to be paid $3. So how are you going to negotiate that, right? So, and then you go to next, add your photo. So you can add your photo, then date of birth, country where you currently reside, because it will be reflected on your profile, and then the street address, all that, input all that, and then you can review your profile. I see I was born then in Kenya, street address, let me just say Karen, right? So I don't live in Karen, don't go to Karen looking for me. I want to say 046 something there, right? Let me just write there 046 Karen again, right? And then if this is optional, you don't have to write the apartment or the suite where you live. Then the city, I want to say it's Karen again. State or province, it's Nairobi. Is Karen in Nairobi or Kiambu? I don't know. Zip or code, so Nairobi or Kenyan, Nairobi zip code is 00100. You can check the city where you live, what that is. Upload a photo, take a profile picture, and then just upload it, right? And then after that, you just review your profile. You can obviously come back and verify your profile so that clients see that you're an actual person and whatever image you have there matches your ID, because for you to verify your image or your profile, you have to use your ID. So your ID has to match your face. So you can definitely come back here and improve on this, because this is like the bare minimum. You have to make it look nice and like work on it, because this is your resume. This is what is sent to the client. So once you're here, you can either submit your profile. Once you submit your profile, then now you'll be able to start bidding for these jobs. Okay, so personally I don't think I'll be submitting this, because I'm not looking to have 2 profiles on Upwork. So I'll just like end it here. So from here you just start. Now you can check my second video, I'll be linking it after this video. Then you'll be seeing how when you land on Upwork now, after you've completed this and submitted a profile, how do you start bidding for jobs? So yeah, let me know if you have another question. I hope this video was helpful to you. Do give it a thumbs up if making money sounds like something that interests you. Subscribe to our channel and leave me a comment of where you're watching me from, which country and which state are you watching me from. So thank you guys for your time. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.